What's going on, everyone? So today we're heading out to my friend Dominic's house, who just got a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're already starting with some cosmetic modifications. So let's head out and get started. You can't even get out.
No, I'm just gonna have to window it.
Do it.
I'm gonna have to window it.
Yeah, you can't even get out. Oh shit, yeah, we can only do one at a time. If you want, we gotta take that
How
rock
long is it
out.
gonna take?
Like 20 minutes?
Oh, okay.
15 to 20 minutes each one.
You actually don't need to take this one.
Beautiful.
That's it, just like that, right?
Oh, yeah. shit.
Kobe shot, ready? Kobe!
Oh! Oh! Yo, that would have been pretty funny.
I'm gonna play just the back to you guys. It's crazy. Snipe him down.
Oh, yeah! That was awesome. This game is like addicting.
I know, dude.
What? Alright, game point, game point.
For some.
Oh yeah. No way, does that even count?
Dude, that is crazy.
So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys again for stopping by. So unfortunately my battery died right before I was going to show you all how things turned out. But I'm going to pull Dustin Williams and show you guys the car in the next video. Just kidding. Let's check out Dominic's 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. I think this turned out great. This car is definitely really clean. We'll be doing some other modifications in the near future, so please stay tuned for that. Also, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank you guys again for watching this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care. So that's going to be all for today. So that's going to be all for today's. Again,